In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook call to action buttons. We'll go through the process step by step, making it simple and easy to follow, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. Once the page loads, click on Go to Ads Manager. This is your main dashboard for managing all Facebook advertising activities, so it's worth getting familiar with it. Next, log in using your email address and password. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the ad account you want to manage. After logging in, you'll land on the Campaigns dashboard. Here, you'll see your existing campaigns or a blank workspace if you're starting fresh. To create a new ad, click on the Create button. This will begin the ad setup process. Now you'll move to the Ad Creative Setup section. This is where you add the images or videos that will appear in your ad. Click to upload or select the creative assets you want to use. Once your creative is ready, enter your website URL. This is where people will be directed when they click on your ad. After adding the link, click Next. You'll then upload or confirm your image or video. Visual content is essential in Facebook ads because it helps capture attention quickly as users scroll through their feed. Next, continue to the section where you can add additional details, such as descriptive text or messaging. This text explains what your offer is and guides users on what action to take. It plays an important role in supporting your call to action. Now, let's focus on the most important part, the call to action, or CTA. In the CTA section, click to select a button that best matches your campaign goal. Options include Learn More, Shop Now, Visit Website, and more. Choose the one that aligns with what you want your audience to do. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Next, then Done to complete the ad setup. Finally, click Publish to make your ad live. If you haven't already added a payment method, Facebook will prompt you to do so. Choose your preferred payment option, enter the required details, and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a Facebook ad with a compelling call to action button. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to engaging your audience and driving better results from your ads. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising!